Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today what we will do, we will draw this arc ABC and we'll find its length geometrically. Length of an arc. So ABC, first we'll bisect AB and BC. From A you take more than half, you cut up as well as down. Same way from B, you cut up as well as down. So this is bisection of AB. Same way you bisect BC. From C you cut up as well as down. So what we are doing, we are bisecting line AB and BC. So wherever it will cut, that is point O1, take O1 to A and you draw curve ABC. After drawing this curve ABC, now we need to find its length geometrically. So what we need to do, we need to bisect line AC. So we'll bisect AC. This is M, this is AM, this is MC. Draw a horizontal line from here. So you take M to A and from A you cut on left side. That is point P. So AP is equal to AM is equal to MC. Now you take P to C and you draw arc upward. Then you draw O1 to A and you need to draw perpendicular. So this you can use protractor or you can construct also. See what we are doing, P to C, draw arc, and from O1 to A you draw 90 degree. So this length what you will get, AQ. AQ is the length of an arc. So that we can mention, we can draw guideline and we can mention the length AQ. So I hope you people have understood this. This is very useful for geometrical construction in ICSE technical drawing.